You wake up tired. You crash by 3 p.m. You get home and collapse. But you still can't sleep at night. This isn't just bad luck or getting older. This is your body screaming for help. And what if I told you, it might not be your sleep at all? You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're just exhausted and no one ever told you why. But today we'll break it all down. The hidden reasons you're tired all the time and how to finally fix it. Number 1, you're not lazy. Your body is crying for help. Let's get one thing straight. You're not just bad at mornings. If you feel tired all the time, there's a real reason. And no, it's not just because you stayed up late once or didn't have your morning coffee. Your body is trying to tell you something. When you're always low on energy, dragging your feet, and struggling to focus, it's not about being unmotivated. It's about something being out of balance deep inside you. Think of your body like a phone. If it's always running low on battery, you wouldn't blame the phone. You'd check the charger, the battery health, or the app's draining power. Same with your body. You need to stop blaming yourself and start asking, what's draining my energy? Because once you know what's wrong, you can actually fix it and finally feel awake again. Number 2, you're sleeping, but not resting. You might be getting 7 or even 8 hours of sleep every night. But here's the truth. Just because you sleep doesn't mean your body is resting. There's a big difference. If you wake up feeling just as tired as when you went to bed, that means your sleep isn't doing its job. Maybe you're tossing and turning without knowing it. Maybe your brain never reached deep sleep, the kind where your body heals and recharges. Things like phone screens, late-night snacks, or even small noises in your room can mess up your sleep without you realizing it. Your body needs peace and quiet to really rest. And if you never reach that deep, still sleep, your body wakes up feeling like it never slept at all. It's like charging your phone overnight, but discovering in the morning that the charger wasn't plugged in. So, if you're always tired, even after sleeping, don't ignore it. Your sleep may be broken. Number 3, you're not drinking enough water. You might not think about it, but feeling tired can be a sign that your body is thirsty. Yes, really, water is that important. Your body is made mostly of water. And every little thing it does, like moving your muscles, thinking clearly, or even breathing, needs water to work right. When you don't drink enough, your blood gets thicker, your brain slows down, and your heart has to work harder. That's why dehydration can make you feel slow, foggy, dizzy, or just plain tired. And the crazy part? You might not even feel thirsty. Sometimes being just a little low on water is enough to drain your energy. A lot of people grab coffee or soda when they're tired, but that's like putting a Band-Aid on a leak. What your body really wants is clean, fresh water. Try drinking a full glass first thing in the morning and keep sipping all day. You might be surprised how much better you feel just from that. Energy doesn't always come from sleep or food. Sometimes it starts with a simple drink of water. So, if you're always tired, maybe you're just a few sips behind. Number 4, you're not moving your body enough. It might sound strange, but sitting around too much can actually make you feel more tired. Your body is made to move. When you stay in one place too long, like sitting at a desk, lying on the couch, or scrolling on your phone for hours, your muscles start to get stiff. Your blood doesn't flow as well, and your brain gets bored. That can lead to low energy, sleepy feelings, and even a sad mood. You don't need to run a marathon to feel better. Even a short walk, some stretches, or dancing to your favorite song can wake up your body and make your mind feel fresh again. Moving your body helps your heart pump more oxygen to your brain. It also tells your body, hey, we're alive and active. That message kicks your energy into gear. The more you move, the more energy you'll usually have. It's like flipping on a switch. So next time you feel tired for no reason, try standing up, stretching your arms, or going outside for a few minutes. A little movement can go a long way. Your body wants to help you. You just have to give it the signal. Number 5, you're always stressed out. Stress might start in your mind, but it hurts your whole body. When you're always worried, anxious, or feeling like something bad might happen, your brain sends out signals to protect you. It tells your body to stay alert, like you're in danger. This might be helpful for a short time, like if you need to run or fight. But when stress stays for days, weeks, or even months, your body gets tired from working too hard. Your muscles stay tight, your heart beats faster, and your mind never gets to relax. That's why people who are stressed all the time feel drained, like they're running on empty. The hard part is, you might not even notice it. Maybe your stress comes from school, work, money, or family problems. Or maybe it's just from trying to do too many things every day. Whatever it is, stress takes away your energy. So what helps? Simple things like deep breathing, quiet time without screens, writing down your feelings, or talking to someone you trust can make a big difference. Even laughing or going outside for a few minutes can help your brain calm down. The less stress you carry, the more energy you'll feel. Number 6, you're drinking too much caffeine. Caffeine might seem like a quick fix when you're tired. You drink coffee, tea, or an energy drink, and for a little while you feel more awake. But here's the problem. Caffeine is only a short-term helper. If you drink too much of it, especially later in the day, it can mess up your body's natural clock. Caffeine stays in your system for hours, even after you stop feeling the buzz. So when it's finally time to sleep, your body might still be too wired to rest properly. You toss and turn, and the next day, you wake up tired again. Then you grab more caffeine, and the cycle starts all over again. Too much caffeine can also make you feel jittery, anxious, or give you a headache. Instead of real energy, it's like borrowing energy from tomorrow, and that debt catches up fast. It's okay to enjoy a small cup in the morning, but after that, switch to water, herbal tea, or something natural. If you start cutting back slowly, your body will thank you. You'll sleep better, feel calmer, and your energy will come from you, not from a drink in a can or a cup. 7, you're not getting sunlight. Your body has something called a body clock. It helps you wake up, stay alert during the day, and feel sleepy at night. But this clock needs sunlight to work properly. When you step outside in the morning and feel the sun on your face, your brain gets a clear message. It's time to be awake now. That sunlight helps your body stop making melatonin, the sleepy hormone, and start making energy. Without sunlight, your clock gets confused. You may feel slow, grumpy, or like your head is in a cloud all day. Lots of people spend their mornings indoors, looking at phones or working under dim lights. That's not enough. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of real sunlight early in the day can make a huge difference. Try stepping outside right after waking up. Take a little walk or just sit by the window where sunlight comes in. This helps your brain reset, your mood improve, and your energy grow naturally. Sunlight also gives you vitamin D, which your body needs to stay healthy and strong. So, if you've been feeling tired for no reason, it might be because you haven't seen the sun in a while. Number 8, your eyes are tired, not just your body. Have you ever looked at your phone and felt like your eyes just couldn't take it anymore? That's not just in your head. Screens give off a bright light that tells your brain, hey, it's still daytime. So even when it's night and you're trying to wind down, your brain stays wide awake. It doesn't send out the signals that help your body relax and get sleepy. That's why you might feel tired all day, but then struggle to fall asleep at night. Your brain is confused. Also, staring at screens for hours makes your eyes work really hard. It's like asking them to run a race that never ends. You don't blink as much. Your eyes get dry, and your head starts to hurt. All of this makes you feel even more drained. The fix isn't about quitting screens completely. It's about giving your eyes and brain some breaks. Try looking away every 20 minutes, blinking more often, or stepping outside for fresh air. And before bed, put your phone away and let your brain know it's time to rest. That little change can make a big difference in how much energy you have tomorrow. Number 9, you never go outside. Your body needs the outside world more than you think. If you stay inside all the time, in your room, office, or even on the couch, you slowly start to feel tired, bored, and low on energy. That's because sunlight gives your body something called vitamin D. It helps you feel awake, happy, and strong. When you don't get enough sunlight, it's like your battery never fully charges. Your brain starts to feel foggy, your mood drops, and your body just doesn't work the way it should. Also, outside air is different. It's fresh, it moves, it smells like trees or grass or wind, not like closed rooms or stuffy air. When you breathe it in, your lungs wake up. Even walking around for 10 or 15 minutes can change your mood and give you energy. Plus, when you look at the sky, the trees, or even people walking by, it takes your eyes off screens and helps your brain reset. So if you feel lazy, sleepy, or stuck, try this. Just open the door and step outside. Let the sun hit your skin. Feel the air. Move your legs. Your body will thank you. Number 10, You never talk about how you feel. Sometimes the worst pain is the one no one sees. It sits quietly inside you. You smile, laugh, and act like everything's fine, but deep down, you're carrying something heavy. Maybe it's sadness. Maybe you're angry, scared, or just tired of feeling stuck. But you don't talk about it. You think no one will understand? Or maybe you're afraid people will laugh or say you're being dramatic. So you keep it all inside like a big, messy storm bottled up in your chest. But here's the truth. Your mind needs to let things out, just like your body needs to breathe. When you talk to someone you trust, even a little bit, it helps that heavy feeling become lighter. You don't have to explain everything perfectly. Just saying, "I'm not okay," can be the first step. Talking doesn't make you weak. It actually makes you brave. It's how healing begins. And if there's no one around to talk to, even writing your thoughts down or saying them out loud to yourself can help. Don't let silence be the reason you stay stuck. Your story matters. Your feelings matter. And someone out there is ready to listen. If this video made you think, you're not alone. Your feelings are real, and it's okay to talk about them. Don't forget to like and share this video with someone who needs it. And hit that subscribe button. More powerful videos are on the way. See you in the next one.